You've done the research. You've crunched the numbers. You've finally decided to start your investment journey, and you've picked StashAway as your vehicle. The app is downloaded, your account is set up, and you're standing at the starting line, excited and a little bit nervous. But then you hit the first hurdle, a question that feels deceptively simple but can be a real roadblock. How do I actually get my money into the account? How do I make that first, tangible step towards building wealth? Let's be honest, the moment you're ready to invest, you don't want to get stuck in a maze of confusing instructions. You want the process to be as smooth and painless as the automated investment strategy StashAway is famous for. You're not just moving money, you're activating your financial future. You're giving your savings a purpose beyond sitting idly in a bank account. This is the moment you unlock the power of compound interest, and believe me, it feels incredible. So, let's get straight to it. We're going to walk through the process of depositing money into your StashAway account, step by step, making it so simple you'll wonder why you were ever worried. First things first, open up your StashAway app or log into the web platform. Right on the home screen, you'll see a prominent deposit button. You can't miss it. Go ahead and tap that. It's the gateway to your investment journey. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the portfolio you want to deposit into. If you have multiple portfolios, like a general investing portfolio and a goal-based portfolio, just select the one you want to fund. After that, the system will ask you for the deposit amount. You can start as small as you like. There's no minimum deposit once your account is open, or set up a regular recurring deposit to stay consistent with your goals. The key here is to choose an amount that works for you. Once you've entered the amount, StashAway will show you the most important part, the transfer details. This is where you'll find StashAway's bank account number, the bank name, and a unique reference code. Now, listen closely, because this next part is critical. That reference code is your personal identifier. It tells StashAway that this specific transfer of money is coming from your account. Without it, your deposit might get delayed, or worse, lost in the system. So, make sure you copy that reference code exactly. Now that you have the details, you need to leave the StashAway app and go to your own bank's app or website. You'll initiate a standard bank transfer, just like you would to a friend or family member. Fill in the bank details that StashAway provided, enter the amount you want to deposit, and most importantly, paste that unique reference code into the reference or comments field. Double-check everything, hit send, and you're done with your part. After you've initiated the transfer, the money will typically take 1 to 2 business days to show up in your StashAway account. Once it arrives, you'll get an email notification, and StashAway's smart engine will automatically invest that money for you based on your chosen portfolio strategy. This is the magic part. Your money isn't just sitting there, it's already working hard for you. And just like that, you've completed your first deposit. What might have seemed like a daunting task is just a few simple steps. You've officially put your money to work, and you're now an active participant in your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.